Hey there! Get ready to learn how to create images from text using DALL-E, learning how to use Vizcom to create amazing scenes. Welcome to the introduction to Generative AI for Kids. My name is Adi Akurwa. I will be your guide on this amazing and exciting journey.
As I take you for a ride into the world of artificial intelligence, or AI for short. So, what exactly is AI? Well, simply speaking, AI is like a super smart computer program that can learn, think, and solve problems, just like humans do.
Today, we're going to learn about how AI mimics human intelligence.
Imagine having a robot friend who can help you with your homework, play games, or even draw pictures with you while giving you amazing creative ideas. Sounds cool, right? But how does AI learn to do all these amazing things? AI learns by using something called algorithm. Algorithms are like recipes that tell the AI what steps to follow to solve a problem or perform a task. Just like how you follow a recipe to bake a cake, AI follows algorithms to learn and improve. You might not realize it, but you probably interact with AI every day. Let's look at some examples. Have you ever asked Siri or Alexa a question? That's AI using natural language processing to understand and respond to you. When you watch videos on YouTube, AI recommends new videos based on what you've watched before. It's like having a friend who knows exactly what you like. There are even self-driving cars that use AI to navigate the road safely. Amazing, isn't it? Now, let's compare AI to human intelligence. While AI can learn and perform tasks, it's different from our brains in a few ways. Humans can think creatively, understand emotions, and make decisions based on feelings and experiences. AI, on the other hand, follows the algorithms it's been given and learns from data. It doesn't have emotions or personal experiences like we do. One fascinating type of AI we'll explore in this course is generative AI. This kind of AI can create new things like pictures, music, and even stories by learning from examples. For instance, DALL-E can generate unique images from text descriptions, and Vizcom can turn your drawings into digital masterpieces. Throughout this course, you'll get to play with these amazing tools and create your own AI-generated art. We'll learn how to write text prompts for Leonardo and DALL-E and how to transform your sketches with Vizcom. Plus, we'll talk about the importance of using AI responsibly. That's it for our introduction to AI. I hope you're as excited as I am to start creating and learning with AI. In the next lesson, we'll dive deeper into generative AI and get hands-on with Leonardo AI, DALL-E, and Vizcom. I really hope to see you there.